In today's video, you will learn how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone using 3 simple methods. With these 3 methods, you can transfer your photos, videos, music and everything else from your old iPhone to your new iPhone with and without using a computer, and that is coming up. Our first method is using a data transfer software. For this method to work, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a software called Phone Trans. You can get it from the link given in the video description below. So just click on free download and install the software into your Windows or Mac computer. After installing it, open it up. Once open, with this software you can also use apps and data from one iPhone to another. In order to transfer data from one iPhone to another, select phone to phone option. Then you will have 3 options. You can select either options you want by reading these descriptions. So I'm gonna go with the first one. So select your preferred options, then click on start transfer. Next, connect both your phones to computer using a USB cable. Once your phones are connected, this software will detect them automatically. Alright, as you can see on the left hand side, you will have the source phone. This is the phone that will transfer the data and target device will receive the data. So in my case, I am transferring data from iPhone X to 13 Pro Max. So I'm going to click on switch, which will change the order. After that, just click on transfer. And then wait for the software to load data from your source phone. From your old iPhone, which will take a few minutes max. Once all your files are loaded, now select them. I'm gonna select all, then click on this blue button. And now wait for this transferring process to complete. This process will take time depending on how much data you are transferring. So for me, it will take quite a while because I am transferring a lot of data. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? And also, please let me know which one of these methods were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. Once the transferring process is completed, the software will give you this message saying transfer was successful. So just click on OK. You can also transfer your apps using app transfer option. I'm not going to do that because it's self-explanatory. And on the other side, check your iPhone if your selected data are transferred or not. So as you can see, these are the exact same photos that I had on my old iPhone. Now they're all transferred to my new iPhone. And also, one of the best features of the software is if you select music, and the music will be stored inside the Apple Music app. Like this. See? Okay, now let me show you the second method. Our second method is using Apple's quick setup feature. For this method to work, you don't need a computer, but there are some requirements. Number 1, your both phones must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Number 2, you have to erase your new iPhone in order to transfer data from your old iPhone. And number 3, this is not a requirement, by the way, this is a warning. This process takes very long time, especially if you have too much data on your old phone. And also, sometimes it gives an error. If you meet these requirements, then this method will work. If not, then you can try the first method or the last method depending on your preferences. Now let me show you how this method works. Okay, first of all, erase your iPhone by going to settings, scroll down, select general, again scroll all the way down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, tap continue, and finally tap on erase iPhone, and then wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone is restarted, now swipe up, select your language. As you do that, as you can see on my old iPhone, this message popped up by itself. This message will appear when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and it's close to your other iPhone. So just tap on continue. After that, scan this graphic thingy using your old phone. Then tap on setup for me. And now you have to type this iPhone's passcode on your new iPhone. After that, wait for your iPhone to get activated. Once your iPhone is activated, tap continue. If you want to set a Face ID, you can do so, but I'm going to do it later. and then wait for this signing in process to complete. After signing into Apple account, this page will show up, so just tap on continue and go through this setup process. After that, wait for this transferring process to complete. This process will take time depending on how much data you are transferring from your old phone. And also, one of your phone's battery is low, consider charging it during this process. Once the transferring process is completed, you will get this message on your old phone, so just tap on continue. And on the other side, wait for your phone to restart. Now you can erase your old iPhone if you want, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, once your iPhone is restarted, just swipe up, type the passcode. After going through the setup process, now just swipe up, and then you will have all your data transferred from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. And as you can see, these are the exact apps that I have on my old iPhone, and now they are all being downloaded. And here are my photos. As you can see, these are the exact same photos and videos that I have on my iPhone, on my old iPhone I mean. Alright, now let me show you the third and last method. Our third and last method is using a USB drive to transfer data from one iPhone to another. In this video, I am going to use this USB drive called SanDisk iXpand drive. One side of this pen drive is USB-A and the other side is Lightning cable. In order to use this app with your iPhone, first of all, install the iXpand drive app. Without this app, you cannot use this USB drive with your iPhones. So head over to App Store and search for SanDisk iXpand drive. This is the app. Make sure to install this app on both of your devices. Okay, once the app is installed, open the app from the phone that you want to transfer data. When you see this screen, now just connect this USB drive to your iPhone, just like so. In order to transfer data from one iPhone to another, first of all, tap on Copy Files. Then select Copy Photos from iPhone. Next, select the photos or videos that you want to transfer to your other iPhone. Just tap on this tick mark option. After that, make your selections. After selecting your files, tap on this red button. Next, select the destination for your copied files. So in my case, I am going to create a new folder inside this USB drive. Remember, this interface belongs to this USB drive. So I'm just going to create a new folder. Now I'm going to paste my photos inside this folder. So just tap on copy here and then wait for this transferring process to complete. Once your files are copied, this app will give you this message saying if you want to delete your files or not. So I'm going to say do not delete. Now you can eject this USB drive from your iPhone and you can close this iPhone because you no longer need it. Okay, now on your other iPhone, connect it and open the app and go through this agreement and permission process. When you connect this USB drive to your iPhone for the first time, it will ask you if you want to turn on auto backup or not. If you turn on auto backup, what it will do is it will backup all your iPhone data to this USB drive whenever it's connected. So I'm just going to skip it. When the app is fully opened, just tap on View Files. Make sure you select iXpand from this list. And now select the folder in which your photos are stored. So in my case, this is the folder. So I'm just going to select them all. After that, tap on this More Options. Then tap on Save to iPhone. Once it's done, tap on OK. And now when you go back to your Photos app, and there you will have a folder under Recent Days. So just tap on it. So as you can see, these are the photos that I had on my other iPhone. and now they're all transferred to this iPhone using this pen drive. So there you have it, guys. That is my video on how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. Please let me know which one of these options were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.